Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tawanda again, and I'm back with another Resolve tutorial. So, in this one, I will show you how you can enable the display qualifier in your DaVinci Resolve settings. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to continue receiving this great content. Okay, now, if you've ever wondered what color your qualifier is actually selecting, this is the feature that shows you, and trust me, it makes a big difference. So let's say that you've got your qualifier selected using the eyedropper and you hover over the image in the viewer. As you do that, take a look at the scopes. You see a small circle pop up. The circle shows you exactly what the mouse is pointing at. If you're over a white cloud, for example, the circle shows you somewhere near the top of the vector scope, showing all whites and highlights. Move over to something green and you see it jump to the green areas. Now, if you don't see the little circle, don't worry. It probably means that the display qualifier focus is turned off. To turn it back on, head over to the view settings and look at the checkbox that says display qualifier focus. Click it, and once you enable it, you instantly see the circle again in the scopes. This might seem like a small thing, but honestly, I spent hours trying to figure this out for the first time, so I hope I've saved you the same headache. If this tip helped you out, go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.